Cold and wintry is the sky, bitter winds go whistling by. Orchard boughs are bare and dry, yet here stands a faithful tree. Household fairies kind and dear, with loving magic none can fear, bade it rise and blossom here, little friends, for you and me. Come and gather as they fall, shining gifts for great and small. Santa Claus remembers all when he comes with goodies piled. Corn and candy, apples red, sugar horses, gingerbread. Babies who are never fed are handing here for every child. Shake the boughs and down they come, better fruit than peach or plum, 'tis our little harvest home. For though frosts the flowers kill, though birds depart and squirrels sleep, though snows may gather cold and deep, little folks their sunshine keep, and mother love makes summer still. Gathered in a smiling ring, lightly dance and gaily sing, still at heart remembering the sweet story all should know of the little child whose birth has made this day throughout the earth a festival for childish mirth since the first Christmas long ago.